This whole entire process will take me under 3 minutes, which is why I absolutely love these hot combs. On most of my hair, it takes only one pass to get it straight. This is really perfect for anyone who is just getting started with using hot tools on their hair. It's perfect for someone like me who is a little bit more skilled too, but even though I'm skilled and experienced with using hot tools, that doesn't mean I don't sometimes accidentally burn myself with traditional tools. But I never have to worry about it with this hot comb. All of the heat is contained inside, so even if I put the bristles or the back of it or any part of it up against my skin, it doesn't burn. All the heat is contained in the coils, which are inside of those black bristles that you see. The black bristles on the outside, you can see I just ran it along my neck and it didn't burn. It works super well. It's easy to work with. It's actually a lot faster than using a traditional flat iron, because I'm able to get it through the entire thickness of my hair. Whereas with a flat iron, I usually have to go in layers. They're just not able to get as much hair as the comb is. And again, because I don't need to worry about the heat going anywhere I don't want it to, I don't need to be super careful as I do this. I don't need a second mirror to see around the back side and make sure that I'm being careful like I've done with curling irons and other traditional hot tools. It's just not a worry with this. I'm almost completely done and we are under 2 minutes. I'm telling you, this thing is absolutely amazing, especially for the price. The price point on this is absolutely fantastic. And look how it just made my hair flat and sleek and shiny. It uses ceramic for the heat, which does a great job of smoothing in addition to flattening your hair. I'm almost done now. I'm just gonna fluff it out and see if I missed any spots, and it looks like I missed just a tiny bit over here. It's hard to see around the back. I don't need to use a mirror to be careful, but it would be helpful to use one so I could see a little bit better. But that's okay. I will get it, and it will only take me under 4 minutes to get everything done, which is fantastic. I love taking this when we go on vacation because I can get my hair done really quickly, even if there isn't a mirror for me to be able to see around the back in our Airbnb or our hotel or wherever we're staying. It doesn't matter. I can still get my hair done quick and we can get out and do whatever it is that we're doing. Whether we're going to a park or going out for dinner, whatever plans we have for the day, for the evening, I can get my hair done quickly. All I really need is an outlet and a mirror. And there we go. I am done with my hair now. Everything is flat. Everything looks the way I want it to look. And again, the heat is just not a worry. Even though it's heated up to 330 degrees Fahrenheit, I can touch the outside, I can touch the back. It's not hot, and the temperature is adjustable, so you can set it to the right temperature for your hair. It goes all the way up to 450 degrees. Plus it has a swivel cord, so it never gets tangled. This thing, seriously, they thought of everything.